All right, so we're going to start off here on the TubeBuddy homepage. If you want to support my YouTube channel, you can use my personal referral link down below in the video description to get to this page. If you use that link and then you sign up for an account and decide to go for a paid plan later on, you don't have to pay any more, but I will get a commission from whatever you pay to TubeBuddy, which is how I'm able to make these videos for you. So if you use that link down below, that would be highly appreciated. But if not, that's okay as well. So here you can see the browsers that you can use to install this TubeBuddy extension. I personally am using Chrome. So once you're here, all you got to do is click on install free now right here. And then you'll get to the Chrome store if you use Chrome. And then all you need to do is click on add to Chrome right here. And this will add the extension to your browser. So now the extension has been added to our browser. If you're using Chrome, you can go to the top right, this little puzzle icon on the top here, and you can pin this extension on the top of your browser. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to click on this little pin here, and then you can see the TubeBuddy extension will actually show up right here. And then when you go to the YouTube homepage, you can see this icon right here, which is visible when you actually have the TubeBuddy extension installed. So in order for this to work properly, we also have to sign up for a TubeBuddy account. So let's click on right here, go to sign up with YouTube right here. And then we're going to have to sign up using our Google account, which is our YouTube account actually. So let's click on our account right here and actually sign in using our Google account. You have to also allow TubeBuddy to basically get data from your YouTube channel. So here you have to just click on allow. Great, so now the TubeBuddy extension is fully installed on our browser and it's actually getting data from your YouTube channel to make all the tools that TubeBuddy has to offer actually work.